Bitcoin just crashed right through the night and it is almost touching $75,000, while the crowd is panicking and losing money because they have no idea what is happening. I'm sitting here in a massive profit. I've been calling this exact drop in every single video. I entered this short position early and everything is playing out perfectly. Right now we are looking at the chart and the most important level is that 75,000 zone. It has not been broken yet, but the reaction from buyers is incredibly weak. This is a huge hint that the decline will continue and my short position will grow even larger. This technical weakness is fueled by major news. One single decision from the SEC to delay tokenized stocks wiped out $42 billion from the market in 1 hour. Bitcoin fell over 2% and Ethereum dropped over 3%. More than $300 million in long positions were liquidated in just 60 minutes. This regulatory blow killed the hope for trillions in institutional inflow. On top of that, Kevin Warsh has officially become the new chairman of the Federal Reserve. History shows this is a major bearish signal. In 2014, under Yellen, Bitcoin dropped 87%. In 2018, under Powell, it fell 82%. In 2022, when Powell was reappointed, it crashed 77%. 3 out of 3. Warsh is a hawk who wants high interest rates and a small balance sheet. Traders are already betting that rates will be 50 basis points higher in a year. If you look at the weekly time frame, it looks even worse. We are forming a second massive red candle and the previous one completely swallowed the green one. We are very close to breaking the week at $75,000. After we break 75,000, I might take some profit, but I will hold the majority of the position. If Bitcoin goes below $60,000 as I expect, the profit will be absolutely cosmic. Now let's look at the altcoins. HyperLiquid pumped up to $62 and I held a short there, but I took a hedge long at $48, which let me exit near break even. Right now the structure is broken, so I would work from the short side, putting a stop loss above the start of the 4-hour imbalance at $58 or even at $61. Solana showed a minimal bounce, my stop was at $91 and now we are heading toward targets at $81 and $76. Link broke its support zone. The bounce was completely sold off and now we are heading towards the breakdown of $8 and $9. Toncoin broke its previous low. There is no support and it continues to fall. Zcash. Zach was in my short. I closed the first target near $500 and so my break-even stop was hit. The setup is playing out. A final stop for a short can be placed above the local peak at $695. XRP has no strength. The 1.34 level is broken and the next target is 1.27. The S&P 500 closed the week positively, but it has already started to decline, so it might collapse next week. I have a short on NVIDIA. It is in a great profit because the peak was set on May 14th and I'm waiting for more downside. Gold is in a range and there is news that Russia is actively selling their gold reserves, which creates pressure. My entry point is 5,340 and the target is $3,500. The dollar index is in a range at the top, which is great for shorting all assets. After we break $75,000, we have an important target at $73,000 where there is an order block with an imbalance. There is a gap on the CME above us at $78,700, but I'm not looking for reasons to go long because I'm a global bear. The funding has been positive throughout this entire drop and the long-short ratio is in favor of the longs. This means the crowd is trying to buy the dip and that usually ends in even bigger crash. My plan is to short the breakdown of 75,000 with a tight stop near 76,500. I will only consider longing after we break 75,000 and I see a clear setup. But right now I'm strictly in short. Stay focused, we are hitting very low. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, we continue tomorrow.